Welcome to the Power of Prayer channel. Here is a space of faith, hope and union, where together we seek the strength that comes from prayer to transform our lives. May peace and light be with you. In today's video, let's pray together Psalm 86, a powerful prayer asking God for help. If you are facing difficult times and need divine help, this prayer will be a refuge of peace and hope. Let's pray together with faith and confidence, giving our anguish to the Lord. Psalm 86. Incline your ear, O Lord, and answer me, for I am poor and needy. Guard my life, for I am faithful to you. You are my God, save your servant who trusts in you. Mercy, Lord, for I cry out to you without ceasing. Rejoice the heart of your servant, for to you, Lord, I lift my soul. You are kind and forgiving, Lord, rich in grace to all who call upon you. Hear my prayer, Lord, pay attention to my supplication. In the day of my distress I will cry out to you, for you will answer me. None of the gods are comparable to you, Lord, none of them can do what you do. All the nations that you formed will come and worship you, Lord, and glorify your name. For you are great and perform wonderful deeds, only you are God. Teach me your way, Lord, so that I may walk in your truth. Give me an entirely faithful heart, so that I may fear your name. I will praise you with all my heart, Lord my God, I will glorify your name forever. For great is your love toward me, you delivered me from the depths of Sheol. The arrogant are attacking me, O God, a bunch of cruel men, people who don't care about you, are trying to take my life. But you, Lord, are a compassionate and merciful God, very patient, rich in love and faithfulness. Turn to me. Have mercy on me. Grant your strength to your servant and save the son of your servant. Give me a sign of your goodness, so that my enemies may see and be humiliated, for you, Lord, have helped me and comforted me. What does it say in Psalm 86? Psalm 86 is a call to divine listening that could be used amid the chaos of our doubts, or recited with the strength of faith that knows no barriers. A prayer from David is a request for attention, mercy and guidance, almost as if each verse were a step on the ladder that connects the human to the divine, with humility and confidence of someone who knows they are speaking in the ear of God. It is the voice that, even in the midst of the deafening silence of anguish, waits to be heard, an intimate dialogue intoned by a heart that recognizes its smallness in the face of infinity. In every word of this sacred text, there is a reflection of the soul that seeks shelter, that seeks relief from the weight of existence in transcendence. Teach me, Lord, your way, that I may walk in your truth, a verse that could be the compass for the traveler lost in the immensity of his own crossroads. Between the lines, sacred poetry not only asks, but also teaches. It teaches to ask with the purity of someone who still marvels at the possibility of a dialogue with heaven. Of those who still delight in the chance to be heard, to be attended to and, even more so, to be loved. Why did David write Psalm 86? Amid the turbulence of a spirit that mixes faith and the abyss of hopelessness, King David, the warrior, but, above all, the man, pours out Psalm 86 into words. A hymn of supplications and recognition of divine sovereignty, where David's humanity is laid bare in front of the divine, an intimate dialogue governed by the need for guidance, protection and a touch of mercy. With the humility of someone who knows his internal wars and the scars they leave on his soul, David appeals to eternal goodness, at the disposal of a God who listens attentively to the prayers of a contrite heart. Why did he write it? Perhaps because this same David lives in each of us, looking for refuge, crying out for relief in moments when the shadows seem thicker than the light. David, in his wisdom and in his weakness, understands that it is in the stripping of his being, in recognizing himself as needy and small in the face of the immensity that is the sacred, that the path to true strength is found. He wrote, therefore, so that his voice would echo through the ages, not like a king, but like each one of us, imperfect and searching, who before the altar of life, asks, "Teach me, O Lord, your way, and I will walk in your truth, unite my heart to the fear of your name." David bequeathed us in this biblical passage not only a message of faith, but a mirror of the soul that, between doubts and certainties, always seeks the light. May this prayer from Psalm 86 be a comfort to your heart and a source of strength in times of need. Remember that God is always by our side, listening to our pleas and guiding us with love. If this prayer touched your heart, share it with those who also need divine help. Thank you for being with us on the Power of Prayer channel. May peace, love and the strength of prayer accompany you and your family. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so we can continue spreading messages of faith and hope. Until the next meeting, and may God bless you all.